The time has come to choose. I've been able to spend some time with both of these laptops over the last few days, and they're both wonderful. They both have their strengths and weaknesses. They both have a striking design, but only one of them can get the proverbial rose. So which will it be? The laptop next door that can provide everything I really need, or the flashier model that can keep up with whatever I may want to do in the future? And the rose goes to... Hey, I'm Jerry, and Apple released two great laptops this week. The new MacBook Air M1 and the MacBook Pro 13 M1. They're both fast and sleek. They have all the features you need and can be the laptop that I'll use for, well, probably just a few months. But I still have to choose just one. But also, what about RAM and SSD? These two laptops both have so much in common, which makes this a difficult decision. At their core, they both come with the brand new M1 chip, which is the star of the show. These chips will just warm your heart with how capable they are. They get benchmark scores that beat much more expensive computers while staying so compact. And it all comes so easy to them. They're so power efficient, and they can just keep surprising you day after day. The MacBook Pro M1 has such a petite little frame that slims down to a wedge, allowing you to perfectly rest your hands on it as your fingers do the work. Although these are new laptops, your hands may already be intimately familiar with the smooth feel and motion of the scissor switch Magic Keyboard keys. They automatically set to just the right brightness, so even in the moodiest of lights, you can see exactly as much as you want to see. The Air has keys that go all the way up to the top, but the Pro is sporting something a little bit more exotic. The MacBook Pro 13 M1 is built a little more athletically and has a perfectly symmetrical shape. The trackpads on both machines are large, smooth, and firm because they don't actually move. Sometimes, can't believe I'm saying this, sometimes I actually catch myself eyeing the slightly larger trackpad on the Pro. Both of these laptops are just striking, and they'll draw your eye instantly to the 13.3-inch Retina displays. The P3 wide color gamut will show you images your previous laptop would not have dared. But they're also easy on the eyes because True Tone lets them change their color balance to help you set the mood. The appeal of the Air is in the price to feature ratio. You get 90% of everything the Pro gives you at 80% of the cost. It will slide into your workflows, run your tasks, and now do it faster and longer than before. The appeal of the Pro, of course, is that you can go yet a little bit faster than the Air, a little bit longer, with better thermals. You can use it a little bit more in the brightest of rooms or the noisiest of homes because of the brighter screen and the louder speakers. I've made my decision. I love the fact that I can get everything done on the new MacBook Air M1. It does everything right without trying to be something it's not. It can perform just as fast as the Pro to help me get things done for work or entertainment. It is the perfect overall package for most people, for most things. But then there's the Pro, which has the ability to get a little bit further. Life might just be a little bit more entertaining with the Pro because of its louder speakers, brighter screen, and longer battery life, but it is $300 more. And the rose goes to the MacBook Pro M1. Okay, enough of this shtick. Yes, I'm choosing the MacBook Pro M1 for my next laptop. It has everything I need in a new laptop, and honestly, the Air really does too. But I like to buy computers, phones, devices, whatever, for what I might do with them, not just what I could do right now. I may not need all the power or features that something has to offer. I might. I don't want to regret not having it. The extras of the Pro over the Air are worth $300 to me. It's a laptop, so I may use it in a room or outside where it's bright. I may edit videos on this, so I want to be able to run it as fast and as long as I can. If those videos are 4K, I want to be able to have the space to do it all on the device without being tethered to an SSD. I want to be able to run 50 Safari tabs, have a Zoom call, and edit a photo all at the same time. For $300, which is not insignificant, I will get better speakers that are louder every time I use them, battery that lasts longer every time I'm away from a charger, I'll also get a touch bar, which, I'd probably pay more to not have the touch bar, but I can live with it. So when it comes to RAM and SSD, these things come in at 8 and 16 gigs of RAM and up to 2 terabytes of storage. If this is going to be either one of these, nothing more than your casual couch, YouTube watching, banking, photo viewing, and sometimes a little bit more, then the 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes of storage will be probably fine for you. If you're creative and you make videos, use things like Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, play one step above casual Apple Arcade games, you should probably get the 16 gig model and as much storage as you can afford. If your budget only allows for either a memory upgrade or a storage upgrade on one of these two base models, then I would get the memory upgrade and hang an SSD off one of these later if you need it. So those are my thoughts. Let me know if you're looking to get one of these brand new M1 MacBooks and what options you think are right for memory and SSD. If you're still deciding between an Air and a Pro, check out the playlist in the description for my other M1 videos and maybe that'll help. If you want to see the benchmarks that I got from these two machines, including the usual Geekbench, Cinebench, but also Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, then check out this video right over here. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, hit subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.